So how to troubleshoot your inflation system indicator light being on and what could possibly be wrong. So when you turn it, if you have an emergency where your hubcap is leaking very bad, say your hubcap is leaking bad, or you puncture the hubcap, there's a hole non-stop, there's going to be air coming out. If your hose is broken or cut, either remove the hose, or what you can do, because a lot of guys are spending a lot of money, all you have to do is come to the inflation system and turn it off. This one has the red handle to turn it off. The other one has an orange knob. It can be either on one side or the other side, and this will help you and save you a lot of money, because if you guys have inflation system leaking, you guys can't figure out, you guys have to go to TA or even call road service. They're going to charge you a ton of money. All you have to do is turn this off and you will have no air leaks anywhere. You have to wait about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, because all the air, it depends which system you have. If you have Hendrickson like this one, so the air goes into the inside the hose and it goes inside the axle and then it comes out to the hubcap. In the Meritor system, the hose goes inside the axle here, because the axle is hollow, so you'll have a fitting here, and it builds pressure in the axle and then pushes out the air into your hubcap, and from your hubcap to your valve, and then from the valve into your inflation line, from the inflation line to the tire. But in this one right here, in this case, the Hendrickson style, this type of hubcap, the air goes through the line, air line. So there is no hole in the axle, there's no pressure in the axle. The air goes here into the line. Here's the line, and you guys can see, and then it goes inside the axle. But inside the axle, from here all the way to here, there's another inflation line. It's like a brass line, and then that brass line connects into the hubcap. And a lot of the time what happens is the hubcap has a bearing. When it wears out, the bearing loosens up, it's spinning, and then you have a hubcap leaking. But this is, like I said, the quickest way to get you back on the road. No air leaks, no nothing. Turn off the box. And if you guys are trying to troubleshoot, like I said, turn on the system, spray all the lines from here, from the inflation box. Check where everything is going. It's going here, and then this is a flatbed, but everything is the same. There's a module here, and then you got the hoses coming down, and they go here. This is not ABS, this is inflation line. It goes here, it goes behind the chamber, and it comes out here, like I said, and it goes into the axle. So there's two different types. Let me see if there's one that's the different style. Usually they're all the same styles. Yeah, that's the only style I can find at Hendrickson. I would show you the Meritor, the green. But yeah, this is how you troubleshoot a inflation system leaking. Check all the hoses, everything. A lot of the time, 75% of the time in the Hendrickson, the hubcap is bad or the hose is loose. These hoses are expensive but cheap. If you guys don't tighten it enough, there's going to be a leak right here. And if you guys don't tighten this all the way, make sure don't over tighten this, because these hoses are like 50 bucks, and this is not supposed to be over tightened. Tighten it all the way, and if you feel resistance, you stop. So this is how you can troubleshoot the inflation system for the Hendrickson style.